We're on the perimeter trail. Don't have to worry about getting run over.
Stinky diesel.
Mm-hmm. I noticed that. Gives diesels a bad name. There's the tent area. Still gets pretty cold at night here. And here, this trail intersects with the Victoria Mine Trail, which we are not taking. Victoria Mine, Lost Cabin Mines, Nita Basin, Red Tanks Tanaha, and Baker Mine. 4.5 miles round trip. Look how much it looks like a tree. Yeah, I don't know why they put this dump station way at the other end. And all the roads are one way, so if you come in, just come all the way down here and then go back up to the entrance and come back in. And of course you can't collect anything in this park, but we've seen these for sale in other places. A lot of times they're crafted into something artistic. So we're still within sight of the campground. Oh, we get to walk more in the desert. If you don't look that way, it doesn't seem like we're near civilization.
The most boring videos are of people going on hikes.
We're almost finished with this perimeter trail. Oh. Wow, that one pulled up right out of the ground. That area. We've heard 2 sonic booms while we've been here. The military is doing exercises, and obviously there's nothing to restrict them from doing it here. Let's see where we are. Oh yeah. And these are creosote bushes. I saw them in Death Valley last year. They're blooming like mad everywhere. And you can see Twin Peaks is a little red. There are a lot more people here than there were last year, and maybe it's because the weather is so much better. We learned all about solar from some new people we met today. So if we decide to go with solar, we know the best people to contact about it. And a lot of people have solar. Those people have solar. People with the solitude behind us have solar. I'm sure there's other people that I don't even know because can't see them because they're laying flat on their roofs. But if we want to do more boondocking, that's the way to go. So, I guess that's it for now. I'll talk to you again.